Martin.
Saint Martin. Saint Philippe, Saint Martin.
This is half, this island is half
More to come.
Holland and Netherlands.
Never lived.
Never.
Man, I tell you, man, they rape these islands. Some are U.S., some are Netherlands. What the hell?
Yeah, it's like that. Before the US never.
Yeah.
Here we are, San Martin, right?
That's right.
Saint Martin. We're ready to hit the shores. Maybe take a taxi.
Hey!
Hey. We're here, we're ready.
Yeah. Ready, Freddy?
Yeah? Well, thank you for your service.
In Afghanistan.
I'm sensing stolen valor here.
Now I'm doing a round on the Caribbean.
The Caribbean.
That's my 81.
Tour. San Martin, here we come.
By the way, someone took a picture. Sarah John?
Okay. You gotta catch a boat. Catch another boat. Go. I don't want to hear about any more excursions. Here's the pier. I'm good. Sorry. Next time. At least a nice cool breeze. San Martin. Here we are. Me and my beautiful Nene. All right. Paparazzi. Ama. Yeah, I think so. San Martin, headed to the taxi boat to go to the beach. The beach.
Life is a beach.
Right there.
Oh,
This way.
there's one of us. Right?
Yeah. Oh, right there, water taxi to Phillipsburg. No. Wow. It's another beautiful day. Oh, kitty! Igu, igu. We got off a boat, we're getting on another boat. That's an old one. The singer, double singer. Yeah. San Maarten.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, the baby.
Wow, look at these things. Right down to the beach.
Right down to the beach, homeboy.
Come on.
Yeah, man.
Everybody show your hands. Amigo. We're on the boat again.
Okay, shit. Cheese. 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 Wait.
Here we go! And we're off. We'll be back.
Alright guys, sorry to interrupt. He's giving out some maps, and inside of those maps, some cool local stores. Don't use the maps to go to the French side, you're going to get lost. They're just for town right here for the shopping. So on the front of the map, here's a jewelry store which I see some of you already done. They're going to give you lots of videos today to a nice to go in if you want. Aside from this,
The left side of the island, right where you are, it is 16 square miles. The French side, it is 21 square miles. Between the Dutch and the French, we have 112 different nationalities over here. We just want to tell you that tourism is the biggest contributor to our economy. So we are very much appreciative of your presence and your contribution. In a nice and a kind way, we simply want to tell you, please come back again. And it's a pleasure meeting each and every one of you. We too, on this boat, we depend on your generosity to supplement our income. So if you want to be generous to us, feel free. Folks, tips is not a must, but it's definitely appreciated. Watch your step as you exit the boat, and have a great day in St. Maarten. Folks, your wristband is for all day, and the bar always open. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, just real quick, so today you're the only ship in port, right? You can tell it's low season. If I was cruising, that's how I would book my cruise, because now you can take advantage of Phillipsburg, the capital city here, all to yourselves. This beach area, Great Bay Beach, take advantage of it. You're the only ones here, right? There's a boardwalk that goes all along the beachfront area for the shopping, and there's some really good food down here. I know you probably eat at the buffet on board, but if you're hungry, you want some breakfast Johnny cakes, oxtail, always a fan favorite, some stew conch, rice and peas. The food down here is so good. If you want where I would go, that's not McDonald's, let me know, because I can show you some cool secrets tucked around here in town. You get your free gifts if you want. That was International, the granddaddy of them all. Right there in front of us, that big giant building. The jewelry in there is guaranteed for life. If you're like me and you have a watch problem, that's a really nice place to go check out. My ex-girlfriend always said that I had a watch problem, which is probably why she's my ex-girlfriend now. But go in there and check it out. Anyways, when you get off the boat, so tip box right over there, the money in that box does go to some of the best folks I know. It goes to your captain right here, it goes to the row bank, it goes to your future cruise director. Enjoying the snack right now. It goes to these guys and their families that live down here. $5-10 goes so far in this part of the world, so kindly consider them when you get off the boat. Have a great day, whatever you guys decide to do. Let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, see you on the way back.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, thank
Are you guys together?
Yes, yes, we are.
You see the lady, Georgina. A lady with a big brown hat. She's doing jet ski or beach chair.
Oh, nice.
I saw her. She's right in front of the big white hat.
Georgina?
Georgina.
Got it. Thank you.
Well, she's coming down to the horse.
I wouldn't mind doing some jet skiing actually. I don't know, we'll see how much they are.
Which side?
Good. La, 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 la.
Come on, guys.
Vakna di che?
Did you guys forget a bottle?
Did you guys forget a?
Oh, maybe it's the shake.
No, he has that in his bag. Oh, it's red. Okay. Thank you. Probably not.
Maybe Janae's?
No, Janae doesn't have a bottle. There's the boat. Let's go.
Guys, go with it.
We're waiting for a few people, I think.
Come over here. We'll come back to you.
15-20 minutes. Okay. We got plenty of time.
Wi-Fi, yes.
Everything
Telling the truth.
All right. 2 for 15. Chair, umbrella, everything.
He's telling the truth.
Okay, good.
I got you up front.
They make too
Sweet.
much noise.
Yeah, that's why I stay away from them. The ladies are the boss. I got 2 daughters.
Jack, Mary. Come on, come on.
Take your time and come along.
Guys,
Yeah.
that's $8.
Amen, Maarten, chair, everything.
Get what? Ator, make umbrella.
Yeah.
That's $8. Yerguad Ator, you have umbrella. You have Yerguad cocktail.
Yeah, I just follow you. You are searching a lot. Follow you up front, close to the water. Someone comes to you at the beach. That's what. Go super J, man. You're gonna charge a lot of money, man. I gave you 2 for 50.
San Martin. All right, we'll be back. Here we are on the boardwalk, San Martin. Getting more and more beautiful. Trying to snag it.
Oh man, we gotta come back tomorrow. There's free beer. You're coming with me, buddy. Let's go, man.
Come on, guys.
You have to break it down. Look, you need free beer tomorrow. You tried to break it down. Yeah, I gave you 2 for 15, man. Go.
He's trying to cut you out.
Yeah. He tried to cut me out, man.
It's
I got
okay.
my daughters to feed, man. Come on.
We gotta eat. We just want to chill, man.
Hey! 2 for 10, let's go! Come on down. I said that's 2 for 10 for that. Okay, come on down.
Two for 10. Let's go. Allah, Allah, Bolan. Look, it's like a windmill. Here we are.
So hot.
Jason Statham, the negotiator. Hey, he got us like $30 off.
They were fighting at the end.
Yeah.
I give you money, I just come.
This reminds me of San Diego.
Check.
Uğur yani Moskova'ya mı ya? Yo!
Super J.
Sara! Jack! Burger King! Burger King!
We're taking a little walk.
Okay, we can take a stand here. Same thing she did.
Sweet. Loco Moco. This reminds me of California. Yeah. We'll come back. This is nice. This reminds me of like the Boardwalk.
Fighting for business.
I don't know. It's whatever. Yeah, it's not bad.
Maybe not right here. Maybe in there it's better. I hope so, because I'm sweating. Shit, I'm sweating.
I'm guessing we're gonna jump in.
Hell yeah. That's what we came for. You're gonna buy something off him?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
All these,
Thank you. Here, we'll take these two. Nay,
Yeah.
next to Rafi. Dake! Good.
The reason why I tried to do that, because she was trying to cut me.
Yeah.
But normally they told us, I know they told us 20. I got it. Why do I take 15?
I'm gonna get a joint.
Yes, so then why do I take 15?
Hey, bud.
I thought he said 10.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead.
So 10 and 10, right?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Just give him a.
That's them. Hold it. Go for out there. Diane.
Just give him 15, man. I'll get more cash tonight.
Don't waste no time, man.
Nope. Here we are. Here we go. Here we are, San Martin. Supposedly the best stop, but we're gonna find out. We'll be back later. San Martin, here we are on the beach. San Martin on the beach. We're doing good. Hanging out. Jack's birthday, 50th birthday today. Good morning. How are you? Good, how are you? You need a shawl? We have one.
I have one.
Fishy, fishy. Yeah. Crosses. I think we're okay. Thank you, though. I'm good. Thank you, though. Appreciate it. variant pa mo bidzachen mezi. We'll be back. Look at these little birds. Oh, there he is. Look, 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 look. He's eating it.
No, they don't like fruit. They don't like fruit.
About 2 o'clock. We're almost done. Gonna head back soon. What a disappointment. We gotta go back. How are you enjoying Nene?
I'm loving this.
This is great, huh?
Down by the beach.
Down by the beach. We made it back. San Martin. We're done. Oh, I found some iguanas.
Chilling right on the dock.
Chilling right on the dock. Look at those guys. Holy moly donut. Pretty cool. Look at that guy. Oh boy. Beautiful San Martin. Look at that guy. We're off to the ship. See you tomorrow. Very sad. Day at San Martin's ending. San Martin. Here's goodbye. It's starting to cool down a little bit actually. Hold your hats. This is the end. We're going back on the boat. Oh man, look at that thing. The Norwegian sky. I hope not. We had such a great time with all the family. Until next time.